So let's simplify the given logarithmic expression. So here we'll begin by using a property of logarithm. That is, if we have a times log of b, so that's equivalent to log of b raised to the power of a. So we can use this property and apply it to our first, second, and third term. So let's rewrite the terms. So we have log of 4. So 4 is also 2 squared. So we have 2 squared raised to the power of 1/2 plus log of 9. The 9 is 3 squared whole raised to the power of the half that's multiplied to it. So we have half plus log of 3 squared minus log of 6 plus log of 2. Now what we'll do, we will convert this to a logarithm. That's very simple. If we can rewrite our 2 as 2 times 1. So 1 is nothing but log of 10 with a base of 10. Means exactly the same thing. So here all the logarithm, the base is not mentioned, then by default it will be always 10. So that means we have log of 10 squared or simply log of 100. So this is the value of 2. That means instead of -2 we have negative log of 100. Now what we can do, we can further simplify. So we have log of 2 squared whole raised to the power of half. Here we are going to use a law of indices, that if we have a raised to the power of b whole raised to the power of c, so that will be a raised to the power of b times c. So we can use this property to apply it to our first term and our second term. So that means we have 2 plus log of 3 plus log of 3 squared, so that's log of 9. So let's write all the positive terms together. So we plus log of 2 minus, so we have negative log of 6 and negative log of 100. Well, we can also rewrite it as log of 6 plus log of 100. So here why we have done this, because now we can use the property that if we have log of a added to log of b, then they combine to give us log of a times b. So you can use this property to combine the 4 terms within the first parentheses and the 2 terms within the second parentheses. This will give us, we have log of, so we have 2 times 3 times 9 times 2, and in this second term we have log of 6 times 100. Now we can combine these two logarithms using another property of logarithm, which is log of a minus log of b. So that's equals to log of a over b. That means we have now log of 2 times 3 times 9 times 2 divided by 6 times 100. So we have 3 times 2, that's 6. So this 6 and 6 goes away. And we have 2 times 50 is 100. So we have 9 over 50. The log of 9 divided by 50. So this is going to be the simplified value of a given logarithmic expression, 9 over 50.